Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this brilliant 308 in the active specification. So it comes with 16-inch alloy wheels and reverse parking sensors. Inside you've got the touchscreen that features sat-nav, DAB digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity. You've also got dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control. The car's done under 18,000 miles, has got 1 year's warranty and is free to tax. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.